You're on.
Hi, we're the Mall Sisters, and I'm going to be teaching Isabella, my younger sister, how to make gobi.
Gobi. Okay.
So the first thing you need to add is 1 onion.
This is what you cut the gobi in there,
Yeah, I cut the gobi
and
or
you chop the
cauliflower,
onion.
and then I chopped up a bunch of onions, and then you put that in there. You put the
What is
paste. This is a little bit of ginger, 1 whole garlic, 1 tomato, and 1 chili.
No garlic.
Yeah, I said 1 garlic.
Okay.
Then we're gonna put in the coriander powder, and cumin. Then we're gonna put in salt. Then we're putting in turmeric and red chili powder. And then this goes onto the stove for 1 spoon of coconut oil.
Nella, do you have any question?
No.
It's less.
2 spoons of coconut.
Who said 2 spoon? There is an audience here. Okay, now what we're doing?
Now we put it onto the stove on 4, and we let it sit, and it should do its job.
Okay.
So this is what it's gonna look like at the end, and at this time you can add in potatoes, you can make rotis, you can make pratas, you can basically have it with anything you want. So this is what it's gonna end like. Thank you. For dessert! For dessert, I made banana bread.
Oh, so it's already in the oven. So how long it take you to make gobi?
Gobi takes 20 to 25 minutes.
Also, by the time you were waiting, you were
Making banana bread.
banana bread. Good job. I'm so proud of you.